Hello, this is Gundam UK and this is the first work in progress video for this ReZel 95C ReZel Type C Defenser A and B unit Master Grade kit. And as you can see, the box is just so huge it doesn't even fit on my workbench, so I've had to set up my camera on a tripod just so we can see the whole thing. You can just see how deep this box really is. It's absolutely huge, and that makes sense because it has both Defenser A and B options inside it. They're different kind of backpacks. As we can see, here is the Defenser A unit and here's the Defenser B unit. As to which one I'm going to build and paint, I'm not sure yet. Let's just get the thing assembled first, get all the runners out, and start cleaning up some nubs. So after a rather lengthy debagging session, we arrived at around 25 runners in total. This is definitely not going to be a quick assembly job, but let's get to work. Okay, so after about a week's worth of on and off assembly here and there where I can do it between bouts of work and educating children, I have completed assembling this ReZEL Defenser, and I'm going to paint it first in this configuration, which is the A configuration. So we have all the missile pods here all opened up, and we have one single beam rifle here and a shield. Still got these meaty cannons here and these extra parts here that are for the B type. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to just paint it in this configuration, I think. So I think it looks the nicest. Lots of small details I can do here in the missile pods, that kind of thing. And then I'm going to continue on and paint all of the other additional parts. So if I change my mind at a later point, I can of course convert it into its alternative configuration. It's surprisingly more stable than I thought it would be. I mean, I have attached its third leg, the old tripod here, just to keep it all nice and stable. And we'll see how it's going to stand when it's all finally painted. So that's it for this for the first part of this work in progress series. Thank you for watching. You all stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.